Hello, boys and girls. I do have here a lot of copper cables that needs to be stripped out, and there is a lot of that. And what I want to do is not just gonna strip them and piling up to those banana boxes, but I wanna weigh all these white cables over here and these single insulation ones that are shown here as green and yellow, blue and brown ones. So the reason why I want to do that is simple. Stripping copper cable will increase that money you will get from a pure copper from a scrapyard. And I want to weigh all these cables separate and calculate how much money I can get if I turn them in as they are. So the white ones are about €1 per kilo, and these single insulation ones are €1.50 per kilo. And per bright now, because the prices are quite low, it's I don't know, maybe €3.80, I guess. But yeah, that's okay. We have had here good times when per bright was about €4.50 per kilo. So I have also 3 different sizes in this pile right here. This blue one is 1.5 square millimeters. This brown one here in the middle is 2.5 square millimeters, and this bigger one in here is 6 square millimeters. So and also I'm gonna take time. How much does it take to get it to start to bare copper? And I believe it's gonna take a whole day, maybe even more, because this is a really big pile. And yeah, let's see how it all gonna get together. And of course I'm gonna do fast forward videos, and they are gonna be boring videos, because I'm basically doing only one thing. I'm gonna separate all the white cables from the single insulation ones, gonna weigh them, and then I'm gonna start the stripping. So yeah, my point right here is to get all these weight separately, calculate that money, what I'm gonna get if I don't scrap that cable, and measure the time it takes to clean all these cables or strip, and how much money I will get then when all this huge pile is stripped. And this is the idea with that copper cable pile over here. So thank you for watching this time, and hit the like button if you like it, and I'm gonna post next videos really soon. Thank you.